Right, in this system, we're studying the Cartesian coordinate system, which is also called the rectangular coordinate system. All, we need to know that this axis is called the x-axis, and this axis is called the y-axis. The point where the two axes cross is what we call the origin. This quadrant is quadrant 1. This is quadrant 2. This is quadrant 3. And this is quadrant 4. So the x and y axes divide a plane into 4 regions called quadrants. Like I said, the point where the axes cross is called the origin. It is the point 0, 0. In the rectangular coordinate system, each point is called an ordered pair, and it looks like x, y. It's in order of the alphabet, and it's a pair. What we will do is learn how to plot points. So that's what we will do here. Starting at the origin, the first coordinate tells us how to move along the x-axis. So if it's a positive number, we go to the right. If it's a negative number, we go to the left. The second coordinate tells us how to move along the y-axis. If it's a positive number, we go up. If it's a negative number, we go down. So for the point A, starting at the origin, negative 2 tells us to go to the left 2, and positive 1 tells us to go up 1. So there's our point A. For point B, starting at the origin, 4 says go to the right to 4. 3 tells us to go up 3. So there's our point B. For point C, we go to the right 2, down 5. There's our point C. For the point negative 3, negative 4, starting at the origin, go to the left 3 and down 4. So there's D. The point 0, 4. Well, since the first coordinate is 0, that tells us that we don't travel anywhere along the positive x-axis. The 4 tells us to go up 4 units. So there's our point E. Negative 3, 0 says go to the left 3, up and down none. So there's F. 0, negative 2 will put us here. And then 2, 0 puts us here. So that's how we plot points. Another thing we sometimes need to do is look at points on a graph and know what they are. Sorry. Okay. Oops, sorry. This is what I want us to see. We're going to give the coordinates. So the first point we see is that point A, and it has the coordinate x equals negative 2 and the coordinate y equals 0. So it's the point negative 2, 0. We see the point B. Well, to get there, we go to the right 1. We go up 1.5. So it's the point 1, 1.5. We see the point C. It has coordinates 0, 4. We see the point D. Well, what do we do to get there? We go to the right 2. We go down 5. So it's the point 2, negative 5. And then for the point E, we go to the left 3. So negative 3. We go down 2. So negative 2. And that is that point.